Fawaz Ahmed Dollar from Designer Dollar. I hope you all are very good. So today I am going to teach you how to swap your images within any image, and we will use a third-party website, or you can say the artificial intelligence website called remaker.ai. So after going this website, you can calculate your information or your own images information and convert it within any image to swap your images. So let's go the Remaker AI. Okay, after going the Remaker AI, you can see in the first page it remain, and just click on that, the Remaker AI creative content. Okay, and after going that, you can switch between different elements or different features of this tool, and I will go to face swap and just click on it. After going on that, you can also use the free templates of this AI websites. Here you can see there are tons of templates, and if I click on the more button, and also you can see the different categories, the models, the ID photo, the Christmas and the stars. You can use for free, totally free of cost. You don't need to pay any single money. So here you can see these images. So if you want to use one of these images, you can easily grab this. If I show you, then click on this image and just sure. So actually what it does or how it works, the authentic way to create or to swap your images, you have to make, or you have to create a image, whatever you want to swap between. So it needs to targeted an image. So just grab on here, and the targeted face image that of your own image you need to place it here. So I will place my image from the desktop. Okay, this is the image, and after clicking on this image, that let's understand something, that in this section, the original image, you need to provide the image that you want to be, and the targeted face image is the one that you want to swap between. Okay, just click on this swap, and it will take some time to generate, and it will swap your face between these images. So let's be patient. Okay, so here you can see the image has already provided to me, and this is my face, but the rest of the elements are taken from this website. So yeah, this is how you can swap your faces between. And also, if I generate something beyond these techniques, let's say I want to swap my face within the Shah Rukh Khan, just click on the swap. So yeah, here you can see the AI website has swapped my image within the Shah Rukh Khan. So these are the techniques to provide. So if this video helped you a lot to understand the techniques of swapping of faces, so definitely do subscribe my channel, and this is my YouTube channel, then definitely it's ought to subscribe. And this is my Instagram ID, so you can follow me on my Instagram, and I regularly post my new content on Instagram, and you can see the Designer Dollar Instagram profile, and you can also follow me on the LinkedIn profile. It is my LinkedIn profile, Kaji Fawaz Ahmed. And again, you can follow me on my Dribble and the Behance. Here is my Behance ID. You can follow my projects. So, and this is my Dribble account. You can also see the Dribble account here to follow my account. And here you can tweet me on Kaji Fawaz Ahmed Dollar. So okay, thank you so much for being with me.